Nianzhen Drogba, a 22-year-old senior at the Communication University of China, set up a Tibetan language talk show team named Shoda, which means calm in Tibetan, in 2021. The idea flashed into his mind when Nianzhen Drogba watched a talk show in Beijing. He hopes that more people can watch Tibetan talk shows.
我叫念增扎巴，最开头只有5个人，但是也没有什么部门，谁会就谁干。现在慢慢就招了很多很棒的人嘛，各大高校，然后我们就配合非常默契。平常听到的脱口秀，它有自己的节奏，它有自己的一个甩包袱的一个方式，但最主要的一个区别肯定是语言上的一个区别。我们是讲的是我们本民族一个纯藏语的一个脱口秀，我觉得在自己的家乡演出还挺幸福的。
Nianzhen Drogba has been deeply influenced by his father Dorje Drogba, a Tibetan comedian. In his childhood, he often followed his father to visit various performance venues, watching how his father brought joy to the audience. Inspired by his father, Nianzhen Drogba also devotes himself to his audience.
这脱口秀是跟观众的粘合度非常高，就是你要跟观众打成一片，不仅仅是你在上面讲，你也要跟观众一起。我们一切都是为了群众的喜怒哀乐，所以以后有机会，我一定会带着我的团队走遍基层，不管多苦多累，不管多远，一定要把快乐带到所有地方。